Before, after. Here's our exterior walkway makeover. In front of our house is this beautiful hedge maple tree with vibrant leaves that provides a canopy of shade and privacy. I mean, look at these views. Being at least a 30-year-old tree means the roots have grown since it was planted, and the result is they've made this walkway a hazard. This janky concrete is not an attractive sidewalk, and it very well might have taken away from the curb appeal of the home when listed. This is a major tripping hazard that we have to take care of. My friend Andy is an expert in this field with his company, Reed Outdoors LLC, so he came over and outlined where we could put the sidewalk. We naturally have been walking to the left of the walkway where it's less steep, and curving it avoids the roots and creates a nice organic line that gives the roots room to keep growing. The workmen arrive, and the first step is breaking apart the existing cement and getting it out of here. You can see the materials we're using are gray flagstone and stone dust. Now the old cement is out and the new walkway has been dug. The workmen have started to repair the lawn by putting soil and grass seed where it was, and have started to dig out the grass where the new one is going to go. These are the step raiser stones for the new walkway. Here's the flagstone in really large pieces that can be broken into smaller ones. This is the stone dust that they will lay down, then pack in and around the flagstone. The stone will be cut with irregular lines set in concrete dust that packs up nicely, but allows for adjustments through the years if the roots change. After day one, we're getting a look and a feel of how great it'll look. Day 2, a PVC pipe was put in to easily feed electrical cords to the lights that will be coming. That's going to make it easy for adjustments in the future, too. The workmen kept adding in the stones and perfecting the process. And voila! A gorgeous new walkway made of gray, irregular flagstone for a clean but organic look that can be easily adjusted later to nurture nature.
God, this looks so great. And it's so much less steep. Oh, this looks so good.
I also asked for a little protection for this rose bush that I resuscitated, and Andy added this lovely stone wall.
Fantastic stone wall. Wow.
The curb appeal that this has put into our house is such a wise and rewarding investment. What room in the house do you want to see next? Be sure to let me know in a comment below. Like the video and subscribe to Meg Allan Cole Crafts to see more content like this. Bye!